How to start a Gold IRA investment, a guide for beginners. Saving for retirement is important, and many people choose gold as a safer long-term investment. A Gold IRA allows you to invest retirement funds in physical gold while still receiving tax advantages. If you are wondering how to start a Gold IRA investment, the process is simple and beginner-friendly. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. 1. Choose a trusted Gold IRA company. The first step in how to start a Gold IRA investment is finding a reliable Gold IRA provider. The company will help you open your Gold IRA account, handle paperwork and setup, transfer retirement funds, purchase IRA-approved gold, store your gold safely in an approved depository. Always choose a company with good reviews, clear fees, and strong customer support. 2. Fund your Gold IRA account. After creating your account, you need to add funds before buying gold. There are 3 common ways to fund a Gold IRA. Cash contribution. You can deposit money directly using cash, check, or bank transfer. Rollover. A rollover lets you move funds from an existing retirement account, such as a 401k, into your Gold IRA. Your current account provider can guide you through the process. Transfer. A transfer moves money directly from one IRA account to another. Many investors prefer this method because it is simple and secure. 3. Buy IRA-approved gold. Once your account is funded, you can purchase gold. However, the IRS only allows certain gold products for IRA investments. Common options include gold bullion, gold coins, other approved precious metals. Many Gold IRA companies offer IRA-approved metals directly to investors. 4. Monitor your investment. The final step in how to start a Gold IRA investment is checking your account performance regularly. Most companies provide online access so you can monitor gold prices, account value, investment growth. You can also contact your account representative for updates and advice. Learning how to start a Gold IRA investment is not difficult. By choosing a trusted company, funding your account, purchasing approved gold, and monitoring your investment, you can build a stronger retirement plan. A Gold IRA can help protect your savings and provide long-term financial security for retirement. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.